This is how you get started with Canvas. First, you'll receive your invitation by email. Whatever email that we have on file will be the one where you receive your invitation from. Once you get your invitation, and you will be directed to a Get Started page. Next, you'll enter Canvas and have the option to accept your class invitation. After that, it's time to either make your Canvas account or add the class to your existing account. There, you can create a password, choose your time zone, and then you're in. Every time you enter Canvas, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. The more classes you take with Canvas, the more populated your dashboard will be. When you click on your course, you'll be directed to the home page of that class, with all of the options and a list to the left side of the screen to navigate your course. Click on your class syllabus to find out important information like dates for assignments, quizzes, requirements for the books and other materials, and class expectations. Another key way to help you navigate through Canvas will be through modules. In many classes, modules help students divide things up by week, to know what's due, and to find extra fun links through pages and attachments that your teacher has added to every week. When it's time for your virtual class session, all you need to do is click on the virtual classroom button and it will send you to your class's Zoom. Outside the class, there may also be regular online discussions too, so keep an eye out for updates and notifications from your teacher and your class. For more help with Canvas, go to Canvas Community or one of their other help pages. They have plenty of blogs and videos to help walk through other steps that you may be struggling with. Also, feel free to email or message your teacher, and they can help you with any particular questions you have regarding that class. Sounds like you're ready to get started with Canvas. Good luck!